Hey, it's Jim here from the 312 Workshop, and I'm just doing some small projects inside and wanted to show you a little tip with this table saw sled I built a while back. I have 8 pieces of plywood cut this way to use as legs, and I want to put a 2-degree taper on the top edge of each one. So I need repeatable cuts. Now, let me show you how we're going to start this by tipping down so that you can see. There you go. That makes all the sense in the world. So, first thing you want to do is get a scrap of wood that you can clamp down to. I have unplugged my table saw, so my blade is up. You want to set the piece you want to cut and the scrap piece against the blade, not jam it, but just set it there. Get yourself a quick square. Make sure it's nice and parallel. Make sure you're good. Make sure it's clean. Yeah, that's better. So, like I said, set it against the blade. Make sure you're square to the back fence. And now hold it. Take your stop block, put it up against it, tighten it down. Now, I am lucky enough to have an interesting Stanley square, model 46-050. It has this nice swinging edge on it, which is interesting. I remember using it for joists and things years ago, but it does have degree marks on it. And they are in increments of 2. So I just want to put a 2-degree taper on the top of this. So lock it down and set it 2 degrees. Now, you have to invert this, hold it up against the back of table saw sled. And now I'm going to place this edge up against it. Just like that. Now, while I'm holding it, I will now clamp down the extra piece. So now I can make repeatable cuts on all 8 of them. I'll plug back in my saw. Get a little hearing protection. And we will make some cuts. Now, a little bit of safer way to do that would have been to move this clamp every time and clamp the piece down. So there you have it. I have 8 pieces with a roughly 2-degree taper. Now, I wasn't looking for dead on 2 degrees because this is just a small project. If I'm 2.5 degrees, it's fine. And also, another way of doing it would have been to use a compass and use this and get a very exact measurement. But this is close enough for what I need. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you.